At the beginning of spring 2019, Gianluca and I went to Barcelona with an ambitious project: refit the wooden interior of Baimaiself. That, after the last round-the-world tour plus the miles I did in the previous 2 years, was quite tired. Angela, Gianluca's partner, came to support us morally. All a week long we painted and eated the amazing Spanish and Catalana kitchen. And at last I can tell we did a more than acceptable job. After a few weeks we came back, and after a due anti-fooling, we were ready to leave to CABO PALOS. The cruise was nice, even if it was Easter and it was still chilly, especially during the night. During the crossing there is the beautiful archipelago of Columbretes, but also this time we weren't able to stop by. It is a natural reserve, there is nothing but the faro, and I'm pretty sure it is a magic place. In CABO PALOS, there were to wait us Angela with her friend Raquel, plus sounds and friends. CABO PALOS is an amazing village, active since Phoenician times, then the Romans. It's a super rich archaeological site. There are a lot of wrecks below the water around the cape. We entered in the tiny marina of the village just using our connections with locals. But I can tell that it is a small harbor and there is poor depth at the entrance, so if you plan to visit the area, and it deserves a visit, you can go or at San Pedro de Piñatar at the entrance of the lagoon or directly to Cartagena. Be sure to book before. During Easter, we enjoyed the Semana Santa with never-ending processions with costumes, trucks unlifted transporting featurette from the Vangelo natural side, full buildings decorated for the occasion. Honest, it is a little creepy, but really impressive. After a few days, we said hello to our friends and continued our route. So in something less than 3 days, we finally arrived at La Linea de la Concepcion in Marina Alcaidesa on the Spanish side of Gibraltar Cape, one of the borders of Europe. In front of us there was Africa. In La Linea de la Concepcion, my recommendation for the restaurant is Los Hermanos Tomilleros, a very nice cocina casera restaurant in the center of La Linea de la Concepcion. If you need any parts for your boat, you can find a nice ship chandler close to the shipyard on the other side of the harbor.